In this video, I'm going to talk about how the mouse works when using SketchUp. The mouse has a couple different things it can do, and it's also really important that you remember that the mouse does whatever tool you're selected on. So in SketchUp, if you're on the Select tool, then you can select objects and things like that. If you want to draw, you can click on the freehand, the pencil for either line or freehand, and you can sketch. If you want to sketch specific, circular shapes, you can click on this. If you want to click specific, like full shapes, you can click on this. And once you're in there, that's what your mouse is going to do when you click on the left click. So if I want to sketch, once I've clicked that, it's what I'm going to do. So I can sketch, but I'm still in the sketching mode as long as that is what's selected on the toolbar. So if I want to go back and be able to select items, I have to go back to the toolbar, and with my left click, I can click on that. At all times, though, there are two other things that you can do. You can press down on the scrolling device and you can rotate. So you can always rotate with your mouse at any time using the scroll bar and pressing down on it. You may also scroll on the scroll bar and zoom in and out. So those two things are automatic just using the mouse. The third thing you can do uses the keyboard and the mouse. You can click Shift and you can press down on the scrolling device, and you can do what we call pan, where you move the frozen screen and nothing rotates, you're just moving the screen as it is. Again, that's done by Shift and pressing down on the scrolling device. One last important thing to realize is you can't just delete using your mouse. So when you want to delete something, you can draw a box over the item and it'll highlight as blue, or you can select it by just pressing with the left key, and then you click delete on the keyboard. In this situation, though, I only selected the color, so it deleted that inside part. The lines are still there. So it's often easier to make a big box over the object, and it'll select everything, and you can delete it all at one time.